Astronomers have discovered a black hole that burps stars, a phenomenon observed in the galaxy NGC 5195. This black hole, located about 26 million light-years away, ejects stars at incredible speeds after consuming surrounding material. These stellar ejections occur when the black hole's gravitational pull becomes too strong, causing an explosive release of energy. This unique behavior offers insights into black hole dynamics and their role in shaping galaxies, challenging previous understandings of cosmic evolution.